Thank you, Mr. Acting Speaker. Asking Blomi no talk sawe me like asking Minister of Agriculture so let me no stop. So me by directing me go along Honorable Prime Minister suppose I mean upload backing. Mr. Assistant Speaker, me kisim talk sawe come long all retailers also. You got a problem with them cover supply inside long country.
Now.
Hap talk sawe come to also online lozena getting one pla chicken production facility belong all Paya ikukim na more than 60,000 plakakrok indai. Now, me preface him asking Blomi. Me understand also he got some plaka in ban stop namelo Nakia, where he stop him import long kakroki come long Australia and New Zealand. New Zealand now yet not lo supplying kakrok lo Papua New Guinea because only decide all sems people belong only at need him kakrok. Now, Mr. Speaker, plenty of decision long, nipla long government is affecting all ordinary man Mary side. So, me like asking Prime Minister also. Number one, enough me direct him online long Nakia long, uplift him despla heavy oligat one time Australia, lo supply him kakroki kam lo mipla, because long time now yet you can look him also kakroki start lo sort all around the country. Because all producers lole not long meet him demand where stop inside the country. Number one. Number two, me ask him all line lo nakia long, straight him so that behind time by no got same kind heavy come up where all decision belong only give him heavy law, people bloom him all ordinary citizens like Gona buy him kakro. Na suppose not lo give him this la back him now. Suppose Prime Minister not lo give him one plan undertaking where he can come back tomorrow or next week now, give him some back in. But our all retailers blow you me, only need him this assurance because only give him talk sawe also. Kagruk and by run out. So this advance warning, only try and talk one time Nakia. Nakia like long, hurry him talk long retailers. Also only bring him come lo me, lo bami raise him inside lo display honorable house. Thank you, Mr. Assistant Speaker.
Mr. Prime Minister.
All right, thank you, Mr. Speaker. We'd like to thank you for question from regional member of ICP Governor Bird. Ask him this important question. Pastor through the looks out long all visitors long public gallery. More importantly, all picking me long Sacred Heart School long Barena. You come long Parliament. Sincere welcome to Parliament once again. The question is important. But I want to also indicate when Nakia ceased importation of processed chicken from outside due to bird flu, there arose an opportunity for local producers of chicken, especially our people in the markets, to rise up to produce. The consumption of chicken in our country is almost over 500 million kina industry. The consumption threshold is at around 500 million kina. It's an opportunity for our local farmers to step up and produce to fill in that void. And I want to encourage all our people right across our country, if there is a mother selling chicken in a market, go to that mother, buy the chicken from her than anywhere else. Stopping food importation is a priority of this government. Chicken is the easiest place where we could substitute imports, as well as piggery and other source of protein. We want to also migrate to that space at the very earliest. I noted governor's reflection that the manufacturers or producers of chicken in our country, and they're also local companies. So we want to encourage them to go into this space. The government policy overarching would be that at a point in time, no more importation of chicken. And so we want to work. Minister of Commerce is on the drive to, I beg your pardon, international trade, and in fact Commerce, both of them on a drive to work with those chicken processing companies in our country, the poultry companies, to ramp up production locally instead of relying on import of cheap chicken from Asia or from Australia or elsewhere. But in any case, to address the deficiency on the shelf right now, I give an undertaking that we will talk to NACIA without compromising our standards. If NACIA could work to uplift the ban or moratorium on ban to fill in that void, but in mid-term to long-term, I want to encourage every SMEs out there. You may have finished long one block, leader of law country where he's an advocate law, public interest, regional member of long. Even a speaker me talk. You got chicken need law production. Given time law, Mama Group, Papa Group, youths, producing chicken, supply Mosby, supply Lay, supply Wiwek, supply Hagen, supply my local community, needy stuff. Let's produce locally. And he may encourage him the chain of assisting chicken production in our country to grow. But for the temporary relief measure, I give assurance we'll ask NACIA to look into uplifting the importation, but that is something on the temporary. In the mid-term to long-term, we must stop chicken imports from outside and produce locally. Thank you.